In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Facebook campaigns or ads, a process that can be done quickly in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in because we all know how daunting it can be when you've accidentally deleted a crucial ad campaign. First off, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. A quick search on Google for Facebook Ads Manager will get you there seamlessly. Once you've found it, click on Go to Ads Manager. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct account that contained the campaign you're looking for. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, which include your email and password. Make sure you enter your information accurately to avoid any login issues. After filling in your credentials, go ahead and click on Log In. This should bring you to your Ads Manager dashboard where you'll see different sections like campaigns, ads, and more. Now focus on the campaigns dashboard. This is where you can manage all your campaigns, and importantly where you will apply the necessary filters to find your deleted campaigns. Something crucial here is to utilize the filter options to narrow down your search efficiently. Look towards the status filters and select deleted from the options available. This step is incredibly useful as it directly points out which campaigns have been removed, saving you time and effort sifting through all entries. Once you've selected the deleted option, click on Apply. Now your dashboard should only display those campaigns that have been marked as deleted. Select the campaign you wish to recover. It's key to note that Facebook does not allow for a direct restoration of deleted campaigns. Instead, we duplicate them. For this, you'll want to click on Duplicate. This action creates a new draft of the campaign, effectively cloning the setup of the deleted campaign, which you can then continue to edit and review before proceeding. Carefully check through the duplicated campaign to ensure all the settings align with your current needs. Edit anything that might need adjusting, whether it be the budget or specific targeting criteria. Once you are satisfied with all the modifications, it's time to bring your campaign back to life. Publish the duplicated campaign to activate it. Clicking on Publish makes your campaign live once more, allowing it to function like it did initially. Just ensure all elements are intact and ready to go before you hit Publish. By following these steps, you will have efficiently recovered your deleted Facebook ad campaign without missing crucial details. Feel free to jump back into each section anytime you need a revisit. Remember, duplicating campaigns is a great way to remedy an accidental deletion without losing the original setup. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful for tackling those Facebook ad mishaps.